Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today we may learn how to set environment for Laravel on Ubuntu platform. Let's start. First, download xampp. We need Linux distribution, so go ahead and download it. Download started. I have already, so I don't need to download it again. Next, we need to install it. So open terminal. Go to downloads. Here is the file xampp linux x64 installer.run. We need to change its permission, so type sudo chmod plus x and name of the file. Okay, give your password, root password. Okay, then type sudo. To run any Linux program like that, // the name of the file and hit enter. Go ahead and click next. Next, we need Composer, so we download Composer from Composer download page. Composer, okay, download. Okay, open up terminal and paste the first line of command. Hit enter. If you got some error on php-cli, so go ahead and install php-cli, then run this command. Okay, next, run the next command to verify our installer. Okay, close it. Copy, paste. Our install verified. So let's see. There it is. We need to install Composer globally. So type sudo php composer.php install directory equal to user local bin. File name equal to composer. Hit enter. Wait for downloading the Composer record files. Yes. Then test Composer to the terminal. Type Composer. After installing Composer, we pretty much to go create our Laravel project. We need some PHP extensions to run Laravel project correctly. So we need to install it. First we need php-zip extension. So paste our command, hit enter. Yes. Then we need php-mbstring, xml and bcmath extension. So go ahead and paste it. Yes. Okay, we are done now. Then we go to our project directory. In my case, I am going to document folder. Then go to Laravel website, documentation, and copy the command and paste it in a terminal. Just to clear it and hit enter. It create a project named blog. So you name it whatever it is. The Ubuntu project. Leave it Ubuntu and hit enter. It create Ubuntu project. I wait and see. It takes long time depending on the internet connections. After finished the downloading and in creating a Laravel project, so we go to our project. So I named our project as Ubuntu. So go to Ubuntu and type php-artisan serve. And go to your browser, paste it, and message. So there it is there. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.